What if I told you you could hand your finances to an AI tool and have it point out hidden leaks in your cash flow, restructure your debt, and even flag tax landmines, all before your coffee has a chance to cool? That's not science fiction. Today, I'm breaking down 5 shocking ways AI tools like ChatGPT can run your money like a seasoned CFO, minus the jargon, spreadsheets, or boring lectures. As the owner of an accounting firm and AI consulting business, we use AI-driven cash flow tools to help small business owners actually see where their money's going and how to keep more of it. What I'm about to share are the exact kinds of strategies clients pay us for, but you'll walk away with prompts and examples you can copy today. Let's get into it. And before we move forward, I wanted to share that I'm Tina's AI clone. While the real Tina is out there running multiple businesses and helping clients improve their bottom line, I'm here to share her knowledge of being on the inside of the AI revolution. First shocker, number 1, AI can predict your cash flow like a money manager. Cash flow is simply the money that comes in and out of your business or personal bank account. Try this prompt with ChatGPT using your numbers. Type in, I make $4,200 a month after tax. My rent is $1,400. Food is $600, and fun is $350. Tell Chatty to forecast the next 12 months and ask her to flag where I'll overspend. Chat will map out every month, show the danger zones, and even recommend how much to stash in savings before the holidays sneak up. One business owner we worked with used this trick and found an extra $1,100 in their budget. They're now months ahead on debt payoff. Second shocker, translate financial jargon into plain English. Ever read a tax notice or investment report and think it's written in another language? AI turns money speak into plain talk. Open ChatGPT, upload whatever financial report you find confusing, and then put in this prompt. Explain this like I'm 10 years old and tell me if my investment is healthy. Instead of market beta, you'll hear, this is how much your money bounces when the market does. I had a client who dropped their 401k statement into AI and learned fees were eating away a car payment's worth of cash every year. They switched funds the same day. If those 2 tips already saved you stress, hit like so more small business owners can see this. And if you comment budget below, I'll send you my free Know Your Numbers bundle. Third shocker, Chatty can automate tracking boring stuff like receipts, expenses, and invoice reminders. Open Chatty and put in this prompt. Create a weekly expense tracker with categories for groceries, gas, and business expenses. Add formulas so I can just type or speak the numbers. Boom. Color-coded tracker ready in seconds. One of my Etsy clients now wakes up Monday morning with her profit and loss report already built. That's time she's not glued to QuickBooks, and neither should you be. Pro tip. You don't even have to type this into the chat spreadsheet. Just wake up Chat's built-in microphone and speak your prompts. Even better. Shocker number 4. Get real-time money updates. Instead of doom-scrolling finance news, AI can pull the latest relevant updates for you. Open Chatty and put in the following prompt. What's the latest update on student loan interest rates and forbearance? And how does it affect someone with $12,000 left to pay? In under a minute, you'll know the latest and what actually changes your monthly payment. No guesswork, no noise. Number 5, our last shocking way AI can fix your finances. Use Chatty to help guard your business from hidden risks. Regulations change constantly, and small businesses are usually the last to know until the fines come in the mail. Wake up Chat and put in this prompt. I run a 2-person LLC in Florida. Summarize any new tax or payroll rules from the last 90 days and flag what could cost me money. One of my clients, a food truck owner, caught a new sales tax rule this way. Saved himself $700 in late fees with a single AI query. That's not a scare tactic, that's smart business. So let's recap. AI can forecast your cash flow, translate the jargon, automate the grunt work, give you real-time insights, and keep your business compliant. If you want to keep stacking AI finance hacks like this, subscribe now and leave a comment.